Why does Instagram promote certain content? So I've studied the Instagram algorithm to figure out why some accounts gain millions of followers while others never see much success at all. Instagram just made an algorithm update, and there are tons of content on YouTube all over the place, videos online that are just pushing outdated strategies. So we're gonna cut through all that noise, and I'm gonna show you some growth hacks that are gonna help you explode your reach right now. If you're trying to grow your account for your business or because you want to become an Instagram creator, then just keep on watching this video because I've got what you need. But before we hop into it, hey guys, what's up? What's going on? My name is Michelle Bally. I am a creative strategist, and this YouTube channel is called Learn with Shopify. It is an official Shopify YouTube channel that's going to help you start, run, and grow an online business. So if you are an entrepreneur, maybe you're an aspiring entrepreneur, then make sure that you are hitting that subscribe button to learn everything that you need to know, all the way from starting your own Shopify store to running Facebook ads. So make sure that you're hitting subscribe. Now, if you guys aren't already aware, Instagram recently made an algorithm update, and one of the major changes was that they amalgamated all of the video content now to be in Reels. So why is this important? It's important because Reels are going to be the key to boosting your reach and getting more followers on Instagram. The CEO of Instagram announced this change, and the truth is, showing your IG Reels to a wider audience is actually in Instagram's best interest. There's a little bit of a fire under Instagram's butt because TikTok is coming in hot. There's some tough competition coming from TikTok. So Instagram needs to start prioritizing more video content because that's what people want to see. These days, short video content is the new currency of attention. Now, considering that Instagram used to be a photo sharing app, this next piece of advice may be a little bit confusing, but what I think you should do is I think you should abandon photos altogether, literally forget carousels, forget single photos, just make Reels all day, every day. Focus on making Reels because they're going to get you 120% more reach than photos could. Add captions on your Reels. This is because only 15% of people are actually watching their video with their sound on. So if you don't have captions, you're going to be missing out on the other 85% of people. They're just going to scroll right by your stuff. So make sure that you are adding captions in order to hook people in. So if you want to add captions, you're just going to go and grab the caption sticker like this, and it will automatically generate captions. Now, if you're not loving the native tool within Instagram, then you can actually check out the App Store. There's going to be tons of free options there, and it will give you more control of the look and the feel of your captions. Instagram also launched some new content creation features that's going to help make your videos more interesting and more dynamic. So we've got Dual, which allows you to record on the back side of your phone while also showing your reaction. And then we also have green screen and split screen, just like TikTok. These features are really great because if you are trying to create content with added spice, you don't have to go into post-production. You can literally just edit it right within Instagram. This makes content creation a little bit more scalable if you are trying to post really frequently and really consistently, so definitely leverage these tools. Start your videos off with a hook. So people are actually going to lose interest in less than 2 seconds. That is a fact of life, 2 seconds before someone starts to scroll. So you want to start your video with audio and visuals that take up a lot of space. Maybe someone's jumping into frame, maybe you have someone dancing, maybe you have like a really crazy interesting fact you're sharing right away, or maybe you have like crazy visuals of like someone skydiving or like a landfill or something. Maybe you're telling a joke with a quick punchline, I don't know. The point is that the hook is what is going to get people to continue to watch. And then when Instagram sees that your content is being watched, they're going to push it out to more people, which means more exposure for you. So how often should you be posting? Well, you should be posting 1 to 2 times per day in the current state that Instagram is in. And I know it's like, should you quit your day job in order just to do this? But if you choose formats that are simple to complete, you can actually make it a lot easier on yourself. It can be time consuming, yes, that's true, but honestly, anything worthwhile is. So if you're posting Reels and you're doing that consistently, you're gonna be golden. Actually, I'm currently working with an e-commerce brand, and one of the things that we've noticed, even though we're a brand that has a really large following, is that nothing other than Reels is working right now. So take it from me, Reels is the key to exposure, and it's gonna be the key to more followers. Instagram is making a point to make their search function better on the platform. So when you think about the way that YouTube or Google search function works, you know that when you search something, you're gonna get the results that you're looking for. So Instagram is trying to improve that about their platform. So what that means for you is you want to include keywords you think people will be searching into Instagram, into your content, and into your profile. So like, let's say you run a business where you do people's nails, for example, maybe you're a nail technician. Then you might want to include the keywords nail technician in your bio, your captions, your hashtags, all that. So make sure that you're focusing on keywords. So speaking of hashtags, are they dead? Hashtags aren't dead, they're not, but they're definitely different from what they used to be. Now, the best way to use hashtags is to create amazing content that people are going to want to see. Then based on your engagement, the Instagram algorithm understands that your content is keeping people on the platform, and that's when it starts to push content on the hashtag pages and the explore pages. So essentially, your content isn't going to get more views or more followers just because you're using hashtags. But if your content is good, then Instagram will start to leverage the hashtags that you've used to give you an extra push. It's Instagram's world. We're just living in it. But if you ask me, my personal opinion, no one asked, but I'm gonna say it anyways, I actually don't like hashtags. I find them to be like cluttered and not necessary, but they still work. And if you are serious about Instagram growth and you wanna seize every opportunity you can in order to explode your account, then use them. So if you do want to learn more about how you can create really amazing content and blow up your Instagram following, then I recommend you download this free social media template. It is designed to help you create a rock solid Instagram strategy. And you're going to learn how to create content that breaks through all that noise that we're seeing on social media. And you're going to really learn how to provide value to your audience and make you money online. So if that sounds good to you, you can click the link right over here or in the description box below. Don't worry, it's not gonna stop this video. It's just gonna open a new tab so that you can have it ready for when you're done watching this video here. Posting times. The time at which you post your content is really important because the minute you post your content, you wanna show Instagram that your video is popping, that there's tons of people watching and engaging. But the thing with that is that you need to make sure that you're posting during the times that your audience is actually on Instagram in order to get that engagement right away. So super simple. You're just gonna take a look at your analytics, just like this here, and see when your audience is on most, and then just literally post during those times. Simple as that. But if you're like, I'm doing all these things, Michelle, I'm still not growing, this is a crazy tip that I actually just learned from a YouTuber here. His name is Chris Howe. He says, you should check your account to see if you are shadow banned. You know, if you ever use like a follow and unfollow app, or maybe you're like doing too many actions at once, Instagram might think you are a robot. This is against Instagram's policy, so you could actually be shadow banned. So let's check this out together and see if you are shadow banned. So you're gonna go into your settings, account status, and then you'll find out whether you have any strikes against you. And if so, that could be what is actually hindering your growth, so make sure that you are checking that out. Instagram rolled out a feature called Notes. So not everyone has this yet, but it's almost been said to be kind of like Twitter, kind of like MSN status update. And if you're looking for this, this is gonna live in your direct messages tab, and only your close friends can see this, or accounts that you follow and they follow you back can see your notes. Now, Instagram is still testing this feature out, and I personally thought that once they did roll it out, that not a lot of people would use it, but randomly I'm seeing a lot of my friends are using it, which I find super interesting. I don't see this as being like a growth tool, considering only people in your network can see your notes, but I see this more of an engagement tool. The more that you show up in people's feeds, the better chances you have of connecting with your audience. So if you are trying to add more one-on-one touch points with your audience, then definitely take a stab at notes just to see how your engagement does get affected. Instagram offers a massive opportunity to drive traffic to your online store. If you have Instagram Shop, you can link to your products, and this is a really great way to make it easy for your customers to make a purchase from you. You can even take advantage of Instagram's latest feature, Shopping on Explore. This makes reaching new customers so much easier than before. And if you do want to grow your business with Instagram, and you do want to manage your store effortlessly, and you want to offer a seamless shopping experience for your audience, then I recommend that you sign up for a free trial with Shopify. You can use the link in the description box for a free trial to start building your Shopify store. Okay, who's gonna show me up in the comments? What Instagram algorithm hacks have I missed in this video? I wanna know. Are you using some hacks that are really helping you with your strategy? Let me know in the comment section below. Other than that, guys, thank you so much for tuning into this episode. And if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe, because we are a channel that helps you start, run, and grow an online business. So if that's you need these tips in your life, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button for us, hit that notification bell. My name is Michelle Bally, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.